Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change your passcode on Tonkeeper wallet. So it's really easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So you can see this is the interface of Tonkeeper wallet application. So what you need to do, you need to tap here right top corner on your screen and then scroll down. Then here you will see the option security. Simply tap here and you can see the option change passcode. So simply tap here. Then you have to give your passcode. For example, I'm just giving, and so you have to enter your current passcode. So I'm just giving current passcode. Then you have to create your new one. So for example, and you have to re-enter your passcode, new passcode. So that's it. This way you can change the passcode on Tonkeeper wallet. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.